It's for hostel, yeah?
It's cool now, but it's
Ah, yeah. I was there, but you didn't put here hostel. That's why I'm looking for.
Oh, I just put 140. That's the
okay.
number. I just do 140.
Ah, you're writing, yeah?
Huh?
You're writing this hostel.
Yes, but the number is 140. I don't want to have to write hostel.
140.
140
The room
this
is for.
number. Jesus, no, the building is 140.
Ah, yeah. That's
I
why.
don't want to have to write hostel.
That's why I confused.
I don't want everyone. I don't want it coming up hostel all the time. Sorry, it's the way you're
No,
saying.
no worries, no worries.
It's not a normal place. I don't want to write hostel.
Can you show me your details?
Oh, you need my date of birth. So sorry. Sorry, you bugged me out with that thing.
Okay, direct. How much you paying for per
It's a housing benefit.
day?
I don't. It's a housing benefit. It's a supported hostel.
Ah, benefit.
It's
Yeah.
only women.
Okay.
So it's
Thank you.
yeah.
Have a good night.
It's housing benefit. So I don't know what it is a day. It's like £300 a week,
Yeah, I think so.
but housing benefit.
Bye.
Take care. Thank you.
You too. короче میگه طرف دولت میتیان وای هاستل ما در بیپل میتیان короче بنفیت وای طرف دولت های میگه میستو دای در اینجا بریتانسکی اکسن هم تزگاه میزنم